Please don't use peanut butter while you have hiccups. You're gonna choke and die. Instead, just get the hick away straw. Literally just take a sip of water and then boom, your hiccups are gone. How it works, there's this little hole in the bottom and it creates that pressure that will reverse your diaphragm. That pressure will allow you to reverse your hiccups and then make them go away. It's really handy, super small. You literally could just keep it in your medicine cabinet. Also, there's a child setting on this side, so everyone in your household could use it. It's so small you could either leave it in your car, bathroom, or take it on travel. Right now, it's selling out fast because everyone's buying it for their holiday haul. So if you want to get yours, it is on sale. I don't know if they're still in stock in the TikTok shop, but I'll put the link down below.